This is a black iPhone 7 Plus. I paid £112 for this phone. Let's see if it's fixable. On the eBay listing, this phone was reported to experience random shutdowns. The seller said when you're using it, it will just randomly go to the boot screen. I'm fairly sure this is a battery issue, so it could mean an easy fix. Let's get into it. It's time to open this phone. As always, I start by removing the pentalobe screws at the bottom of the device. Since the iPhone 6s, Apple has added a waterproof sticker around the screen, making it much more difficult to open. As I take my metal prying tool round the bezel, I am careful of the screen ribbon along the right side of the phone, as tearing this would mean a new screen, and I'd rather avoid that as the screen is already in good condition. I place some plastic picks in the gaps to prevent the screen re-sticking to the frame. The iPhone 7 Plus opens to the right rather than upward like previous iPhone models. Now I'm inside, I can remove the metal cover, meaning I'm able to disconnect the battery. The battery is always first to be disconnected. I can move to the top metal cover to be able to fully disconnect the screen. I take extra care during this as I really don't want to rip the delicate paper-like ribbons connecting the screen to the logic board. Throughout the repair, it is clear the iPhone has never been opened before. Now the screen is free. I can continue by gently unscrewing the Taptic engine to have better access to the battery. The Taptic engine is responsible for making the irreplaceable touch home button feel clicky. It is also responsible for haptic feedback throughout the iPhone 6s and above experience. Moving on, I'm now able to have access to the 3 adhesive strips holding the battery in place. The iPhone 7 Plus has 3 to hold in the large rectangular battery over 2 found in smaller iPhone models. The battery is free. I can now grab the replacement to hopefully resolve all these issues. The replacement battery I'm using is very similar to the original, however it does lack the Apple logo. I'm going to dry test the battery before sticking anything in place. I can connect the delicate screen back up and see if the iPhone is still working with its new battery. And after the replacement, the iPhone is still working. I go ahead and test the iPhone to check if the random shutdowns are gone, and they are. So it's time to stick everything in place. I can turn the phone off and disconnect the screen. I give the phone a quick wipe before applying some new adhesive strips to the battery. When I go to stick the battery down, I first make sure the connectors line up. After seating the battery, I can screw the Taptic engine back in place. Now the battery is seated, I can go around the rim of the phone and make sure all the old display adhesive is gone. To finish up, I can reapply some new screen adhesive, seat the screen, connect the battery, and screw in the metal plates. And it's done! A fully working iPhone 7 Plus for £125. All it needed was a new battery to prevent those random shutdowns. Thank you for watching, and if you are enjoying this new type of content, please like and subscribe.